Here we are in Lorton, Virginia, in one of the best, smallest eateries in town, the ThaiBox. I'm gonna take on one of the biggest challenges, one of the hottest dishes they got, the red curry jerk chicken. But let's go inside first, get a baseline of the heat that I'm gonna be dealing with, and meet a few people. Let's go. Sandy.
Hey, Anthony, how are you?
How's it going? Okay, so this challenge I'm taking Thursday. What am I actually dealing with? I need to get a baseline today.
Today I'm thinking about number 8. So you can climb up the step until when the day comes, you can get maybe 20 at least.
At least? What does she mean at least? I can tell already I'm in a lot of trouble.
But today it's just going to be maybe the Bombay chicken, beef basil or kapow, and then we just put in number 8 spice and see how you go from there.
Either that or I'll be carted off on a stretcher. Okay, so you guys don't just make hot food, you guys make great food. The Bombay chicken curry is my favorite. Yeah, it's my favorite. But what else? Tell us about the restaurant.
Well, the restaurant, let's see, we are new here in Lorton, Virginia, and happy to be here and working with my family, mom and dad. Dad has been cooking for 30 plus years and Cajun food, and our back home is Thai. So we put Thai food and then Cajun together, that make it super, super good.
Sweet, that's awesome.
It's really good here.
I'm ready.
So I guess that, why don't you have a seat and I'm gonna go ahead and put in order.
Great.
And there you go. I'll see you soon. Okay,
Thanks.
let me put in order for you, okay?
Sweet.
All right then. I'm kind of worried about Anthony because he's now coming here eating number 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I've been challenging him to eat at least number 8. But when the day comes, we're talking about number 20 or more. So I'm not sure how he's going to handle this. And by the way, it's going to be his birthday. So he's going to have a very happy, happy birthday.
Put it over rice.
Okay, here is your lunch. And the jerk chicken. Enjoy.
Oh. 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 A lot of flavor. Packs a heck of a punch. I need training. I need training.
Daddy sauce. So hot, it make you cry to your daddy. Now, last time I made this, I didn't think it was quite hot enough, so I went home. I had another habanero and 3 Thai chilies. So, let's just, you know what, I will try this with you.
I don't want that one. That's got, man, oh.
I'm just gonna eat it. If you're not gonna eat it, I'll just eat it.
Oh my God.
It's not that bad. I'll take this one too. You know what, man? I think we should leave the sauce making to the experts.
It's hot, ain't it?
Yeah. But it's not that good either.
I'm not. Heck no, I'm not.
Oh, that's pretty hot. But I think you should go down to Sandy's and have her explain to you what exactly is in that sauce.
Hi, Anthony.
Hey, Sandy, how you doing?
I'm just fine. You want to sit down so we can chit chat a little bit?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
So what's up?
I gotta admit to you, I'm a little nervous.
Okay.
I'm a tad bit on the petrified side. I gotta know what's going in the jerk chicken, and what is that?
Okay, this here, the beautiful pepper is called habanero, and this is about 60 times more hotter than one jalapeno itself. So we're gonna have 4 of these to go inside, and plus this is some roasted dry peppers and some also fresh peppers that we're gonna put in with their seasoning, and then we're gonna have lemongrass.
Okay.
We're gonna have galanga, lime leaves, and some ginger, and also some Jack Daniel, the liquor. With all of these delicious ingredients, it's going to make your special jerk chicken for your special challenge.
How much hotter is this than what you normally serve?
I'd say about 15 times hotter. Normally we do number 10, so yours could be number 25, and I do hope you're up for the challenge.
Am I up for the challenge? Am I up for the challenge? Me? Probably not, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
Okay, let's go.
So the bell rings, and Sandy brings the dish out. And all you can smell is this hot, intense spice all throughout the restaurant. I wanted to hit me. I'm gonna see what I gotta deal with. Oh my God. Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my God. Ah! Y'all wanna know what I felt? That's what I felt like. I felt like quitting on y'all. That's what I was gonna do. There is somebody inside of my chest trying to come out. Oh my God. Oh gosh, come on. Man, come on. Come on, come on, come on. It's being mean to me. That's the point. Oh my God, you have no idea. Okay, so I take a bite, and I bite into like the actual seed portion of it, and this huge explosion of spice just explodes in my mouth. Y'all wondering why I didn't quit? I started to. I swear I started to, but I had to keep going. DC, I'm a man. Come on.
I'm gonna hurt that.
Better him than me.
Okay, that's fine now. Look at him.
This challenge is over. victorious. Hand-raising victory. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Y'all want to try this? Be my guest. Y'all step on down to 7200 Telegraph Square Drive in Lorton, Virginia. Tell them AC sent you. Hey, we want to thank everyone for checking out the show. Be sure to look for us on Facebook, DC Metro Plus. We want to cover everything in the DC Metro area. Hey, this is your boy AC, chucking them. I'm out.